Hi, Ryan Hanley here, the founder of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently. Specifically by giving you knowledge and education so that you can make the right decision for your insurance needs. Today we're going to answer what is the best homeowners insurance in the state of New York. Now the reason we break this down by state is because every carrier's policy is a little different state by state. So a homeowner's insurance policy that you might buy from a company like Safeco here in New York will be slightly different from the homeowner's insurance policy that you buy from Safeco in Vermont or Massachusetts or Pennsylvania or wherever. So in the state of New York, choosing the right homeowner's insurance carrier and subsequently policy really comes down more to the insurance professional that you work with to purchase that policy than it does the carrier itself. And the reason that I say that is because a good insurance professional is going to shop your home, your package of risks, all the things that go into your homeowner's insurance policy, like do you have children? Is your home in a flood zone? Do you have a finished basement? What kind of service lines do you have? Do you have trees hanging over your home? Do you have a pool? Do you have a fence? Do you have a trampoline? Do you have, dogs? What kind of dogs? Do you have a hobby farm? There are all kinds of things that go into properly setting up a homeowner's insurance policy. And the first job of an insurance agent is to kind of do a quick interview with you and make sure they understand what those risks are. Then you need to evaluate how much coverage you need on your policy through a replacement cost calculator. And then that package is sent out to multiple carriers. So we're going to work with, here at Rogue, we work with large nationals, Safeco, Travelers, Hartford. We also run through many mutuals, many single state companies, so companies that they're called domestics, they only write in New York. There's regionals that write in a few states, and then there's large nationals. And really, there's no right or wrong answer. It's which company is the best fit for your particular needs. And is there pricing, and is there coverage? And this is the final piece. Is there claims handling right for you? Because every company is going to be a little different. The cheapest company may have not as good of coverage or not as robust of coverage, and maybe they don't handle claims as well, right? You're fighting with them. The claim takes a long time to get paid. Where another company that might be slightly higher in price, doesn't have to be much more, but slightly higher in price, could pay that claim immediately. They could look for ways to find you money in that policy. We're talking about dramatic and dynamic differences in terms of the way certain carriers handle claims versus others. And my recommendation to you when finding the best homeowners insurance for you and your family and your homeowners needs is to work with an agent who's going to package your policy up, send it out to carriers, and come back and have a quick discussion with you about what the nuances of each carrier and what their recommendation is for your best policy. Because your best policy may not be the same as your neighbor's best policy, or as your sister or brother who lives down the street, or a cousin who lives on the other side of the state. Every individual's homeowner's insurance policy is going to be different, and therefore the best policy for them is going to be different, and you need to work with a professional that you trust who will think about your specific risk and find you the right company. And if you think Rogue Risk is that insurance agent, we would love to work with you. We are homeowners insurance specialists. You can give us a call at 518-960-6600 or visit us online at roguerisk.com today. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.